Prepare to be amazed. A side dish that goes with everything. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic, and yes, I truly believe this may very well be the one side dish that goes with everything. Vegetarians, pescatarians, carnivores, everyone else in between, this side dish is phenomenal. Here's what I want you to do. Head to your local farm stand or supermarket. You're looking for baby eggplant. Give them a wash, then turn them onto your work surface. We're taking a sharp knife and I want you to do 1 cut, 2, 3, 4 into each baby eggplant. It should look like this. It's still attached to the cap, but in essence, the baby eggplant will be able to fan out. We're going to cut all 8 of our eggplants, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a sprinkle of kosher salt. These baby eggplant will hit the grill shortly, but not before I make a very flavorful and simple topping for them. I have 8 vine-ripened tomatoes. I'm going to chop the tomatoes, place them into a bowl. I have a triumvirate of fabulous flavor enhancers: garlic, oregano, parsley, all on a cutting board. Take a sharp knife and finely chop them. They'll combine together nicely on this cutting board. They go into the bowl with our tomatoes. How about a squeeze of lemon juice, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a sprinkle of kosher salt, toss lightly, place to the side. We now head to grill. Grill is preheated 500 degrees. Place your baby eggplant down, close the lid. About 4 minutes later, come and turn the eggplant. You can already see they're starting to soften. Grill marks are showing. Close the barbecue lid again. Cook for an additional 4 minutes. Now when you open the lid and you flip your eggplant, press down a little bit with your tongs and you'll see the eggplant start to fan out. This is a surefire way of cooking the interiors of this beautiful vegetable. Close your lid a few more moments, turn them over, and you'll soon see your eggplants are perfectly grilled. Soft centers, crispy outsides. Bring them back into the cottage or your house, or wherever you may be, onto a work surface. We're going to arrange them in an attractive fashion. I love using a round plate for this. So one goes down, lay the next one on top, and create a little mound of them with the fans all pointing in the same direction. Add a generous helping of our topping all the way around onto each eggplant. It will ooze down into the flesh of this perfectly prepared vegetable. And then final thing to present this beautiful vegetarian side dish. How about a little bit of ricotta on the side in case guests would like some? They can spoon a little bit next to their eggplant. Fantastic flavors await. Looking for more fantastic flavors? Why not head to weekendатthecottage.com, subscribe to our website, please. Look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel, now with over 200 videos for you to reference, try, and enjoy. And then finally, keep the conversation going on one or more of your favorite social media platforms using #WeekendAtTheCottage. Visit us on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Whatever you're serving tonight, just make sure our grilled eggplant side dish is on the side. We know you'll enjoy. Come on back and visit again soon. Take care.